FedEx is here. We got something coming for the Pro X. How you doing? I'm doing all right.
I got one more smaller one.
Yeah, so I think it's the harness for the hitch. All right, guys. This is the harness from Z1 Off-Road for the so I think it's an OEM tow hitch. So I'm getting ready to put this bad boy on the Frontier and see how it goes. All right, I finally got my hitch and the harness that you have to buy extra with it. But anyway, I'm going to attempt to get this put on and kind of show you guys briefly, real quick, on what you need to do. So as far as the harness, this is what it consists of. This is the actual harness that hooks behind the 7-pin, 4-pin connector. So it comes with this. This is going to go right down the bumper. You're going to have to cut a hole and shape it in there. And this is, I believe, is the relay, and it comes with these caps. We're going to put these caps on and wrap these up with this foam tape. And so what you're going to do with that is put it inside. It goes inside the truck here, and so it's going to hook up. I had to go in there and pull this out and find it. I kind of found this out from some videos on YouTube, but I wanted to see if I can just kind of go over it briefly myself and make it easy for people. So here's the connector that you want to put that relay piece on, and see if we can get that in there. So got the foam tape taped around the relays, and I'm gonna get this snuck in there, right there. And it's kind of hard to do this with one arm, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pause this and get this all put together. All right, all back in, all fastened, it tucked in pretty good. So that's the first thing you want to get out the way. So I've got that done, and now I'm gonna see if I can get this hooked up. It's very easy, and let me show you that real quick. All right, underneath the truck. Now on the driver's side of the rear of the truck here underneath, it's got these receivers, whatever you want to call them. But I already took the plugs out of them that you have to take out, because if this is not being used, they have plugs in them. So I took them out, and I'm getting ready to plug these in. So I've got them plugged in. Pretty straightforward, nothing hard about that. So I'm gonna just get this hung up here for right now. The next thing to do is to, sorry about the little dirt bike. Somebody's riding a dirt bike in the street here. Got a little dirt bike band that's going on. That's okay. Just gonna get this out the way for right now. And this truck has these 3 holes on each side, and this truck is fairly new. It's a 24, and they're pretty clean. I don't really have to do anything to them. Don't know if you have to put in any like anti-seize on the bolts just a little bit, but I'm gonna try to get this thing in here and bolt it down. Now they say that the torque setting could be anywhere between 111 to 86 or something like that. I think I'm gonna keep it safe and be around I'm gonna say 88 foot-pounds, 90 foot-pounds of torque, something like that. So we'll see. All right, finally got her on. It was so crazy. I didn't film any of it, but I finally got it on our Frontier, And on these frontiers, which they do not show in any YouTube video that I've seen, when you get the hitch kit, it comes with brackets. And when I saw this, I was like, what the heck is this? And it's got these support brackets up in here. And go down. Yeah, this here. It's a bracket that you bolt to the frame, and then you bolt to the front of the hitch right here. And so I've got it in, and it's all bolted in with these 3 bolts on each side. I did, in fact, I downloaded the instructions from the NISSAN website, and it said it can be anywhere between 120 newton meters or something like that. I can't remember, but I did 88.5 foot-pounds of torque on these 3 on each side. So just wanted to let you know that's what I did. And I got my harness all connected in, and I've got my 4th brake light connected, so I can put it in on my hitch, just like I have my Titan right here. And it's all in. It's all ready to go. So, getting ready to put this in. Going right here. All right, there we are. One thing is done. On to the next. Let's get this thing lifted. We had the truck in the shop and had all my parts ready to go. The Z1 off-road 2-inch lift kit with the 1.5-inch shackles. I got my All Dogs UCA's upper control arms and my 5100 Bilsteins for the rear. And had everything in the truck, and all they did was put on my a soft tonneau cover and our bed rug, which is in here, which is really nice. Got that all done, and that's it. Just waiting to get it lifted, and should be done. Finally. All right, talk to you guys later.